Oh, hi. Didn't see you there. My boss has asked me to find out about Gaussian Splatting and whether we can use it to make millions of pounds and go on lavish holidays.
If you like pina coladas,
So, using company, time and money, first things first, what is it?
What is Gaussian splatting?
I don't know, jokes.
I have no idea.
No idea. Sorry.
Sure. He spent Fulham, didn't he?
I've no idea. Gaussian Splat, it sounds quite dirty.
Let's try something else. Gaussian splatting is an alternative technique for rendering realistic 3D scenes from images or video. It creates photorealistic environments that are not only quicker to render, but also have reflections that react to perspective. But why is it called splatting, I hear you cry? Traditional 3D renders are made up of tiny triangles or polygons folded and formed into 3D shapes, much like this origami horse I'm making. Ta-da! Gaussian splatting replaces these triangles with tiny, blurry blobs. Each one has a 3D position, size, orientation, colour and transparency. They overlap or splat together to form a complete image. It looks solid and realistic, even though it's actually made of soft blobs, much like me. First, you need a phone, or a camera, and something to scan. You take pictures or you film your object. The more pictures and angles you get, the better the outcome. Once scanned, upload your footage or pictures to dedicated splatting websites. Then you wait. Your splat is ready! Now you can manipulate your splat however you want. Displace, orbit, zoom. But what can you use splats for? 3D scene reconstruction? VR? Digital twins? Game asset creation? Robotics and simulation? Film and VFX? The world is your oyster.